Hello everyone, this is me Jincy from James Abroad Academy. And then discussing on the question reading multiple choice, multiple answer. So before we get into the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe. And if you need any online coaching, you can just contact us. So let's begin the topic. Hi everyone, today we'll discuss about the reading multiple choice, multiple answer. Reading, we know that we have 5 questions. Reading and writing fill in the blanks. Reading fill in the blanks. The order paragraphs, multiple choice, multiple answer, multiple choice, single answer. This is the order in exam. The order is orders the same order. It differs. So, we have done reading fill in the blanks. Reading and writing fill in the blanks. The order paragraphs. We are going to and today, it's about the multiple choice, multiple answer, which is very least important. I don't spend more than a minute for doing this multiple choice multiple answer. You can 2 to 3 multiple choice multiple answer and 2 to 3 multiple choice single answer. And this multiple choice or multiple answer is a negative marking question. So, more than one response. For example, 4 options already, you have 2 options, right? Not 1, 2. More than one response instruction. 2 if you're not sure about the 1, don't click. And if you're so sure about the 1, just click. Because English sure minus 2 you get 0 marks. So correct answer you get 0 marks. So okay, or answer sure just click. Submit and go for the next question. So I'll show you how the reading multiple choice, multiple answer. So you can see the instructions. Read the text and answer the questions by selecting all the correct responses. More than one response is correct. So, you know, a paragraph left side and a question pin options. So, we have what you have to do, skim and scan this passage. Line by line at it, the right hand skim and scan the passage. Before that, just look at this question. In the question, question related and answers in the direct answers it can be a synonym. It can be paraphrased. So, അങ്ങനത്തെ questions direct answers കുറവായിരിക്കും പക്ഷേ കൂടുതലും paraphrasing അല്ലെങ്കിൽ synonyms ആയിട്ടുള്ള words ഒക്കെ paragraphൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റും. So, what are the words found at the last case believed to indicate? So, ഇതിൽ 4 options ഉണ്ട്. The subject, the artist painted various, artist painted pictures on both walls and bonds. When artists ground them with a fine powder to make paint, artists develop special techniques for painting in walls. So, in these, what are the bonds which is believed to indicate like a bonds are? So, when you skim this passage, you can able to see that in Southwest France in the 1940s, plain children who discovered that glass box brought to a series of narrow cave chambers that contain huge prehistoric painting of animals. അവർ ആ കേവിൽ കണ്ടത് ഹ്യൂജ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പ്രീ ഹിസ്റ്റോറിക് പെയിന്റിങ്സ് ആണ് ആദ്യമാണ് ഓഫ് ആനിമൽസ് സോ നമുക്ക് യു ക്യാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് ക്ലിക്ക് ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ദിസ് സബ്ജക്ട് ഈ സബ്ജക്ട് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ് ആനിമൽസ് ആണ് ഇവിടെ സോ മെനി ഓഫ് ദീസ് ആർ ആസ് ലാർജ് 16 feet almost 5 meters. Some follow each other in solid parades but others swirl about sideways and upside down. The animals are bulls, wild horses, reindeer, mice, and mammoth outlined with charcoal and painted. എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ചാർക്കോൾ കൊണ്ടാണ് ഔട്ട്ലൈൻ ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത് ഏതാണ് ഈ ആനിമൽസ് ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് ആനിമൽസ് mammoths are outlined with charcoal and painted mostly ഒരു കളറല്ല ഡിഫറെന്റ് കളേഴ്സ് ആണ് red, yellow and brown. Scientific analysis എന്താണ് റിവീൽ ചെയ്ത കളേഴ്സ് were derived from other orchard and other iron oxides, ground them into fine powder. So, these methods of applying is varied. Again, some colors were brushed under, smeared on rock surfaces, and others were blown or sprayed. It is possible that tubes made from animal bones, another tubes, animal bones is made used for spraying because they follow wounds. Some stained with the pigment have been found. ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് കണ്ടതും ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് പക്ഷെ നമുക്ക് we have to find out what are the bones in the caves which is believed to indicate ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് you can see here These animals were painted. So, the first option, the subject, the artist painted various. So, this is your one option. Again, artist painted picture on both walls and walls. I'm going to painted pictures, painted the no. Artist ground them to fine powder. No, artist ground the chonda. Actually, yes. This scientific analysis reveals that the colors were derived on it. Colors derived and other they are ground into fine colors on again. This is not good. Artists develop special techniques for painting the walls. Yes. What are the special techniques? Various methods. Some brushing and painting and brushing or speared and smeared on rock surfaces, and then the tubes and they used for spraying because these hollow walls are sprayed with pigment. So artists develop special techniques for painting in walls. So this is your answer. Submit. And then we'll try the next one. Yes. The second one. Okay. This again a paragraph, which of the following I mentioned the paragraph is contributing the longevity of an oak tree or oak tree kuറിച്ചാണ്. Topic എന്താണ് oak tree. So what are the options given? Capacity to create shade. Or a tree ആണ് create a shade. Our leaves which contains tannin. Tannin എന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് passage നോക്കിയറിയാം. The ability to withstand mild drops and droughts and fire. അത് നമുക്ക് droughts and fire withstand ചെയ്യാനും ability. The large number of acorns that tree produces. Okay, the ability is to produce thousands of acorns. നമ്മൾക്ക് കണ്ടെത്തേണ്ട ആൻസേഴ്സ് which of the following are mentioned in the paragraph as contributing to longevity. അതായത് അതിന്റെ ഒരു ലോങ്നെസ് വേണമെങ്കിൽ നിലനിർത്താൻ വേണ്ടി oak tree ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നതാണ് ഇവിടെ നോക്കിയാൽ അറിയാം. So again, in oak tree, like it's not important. The topic centers oak tree is a good example of competitor. It claims its ground for 200 years or more, outcompeting all other would-be canopy trees. What? എങ്ങനെയാണ് ground ചെയ്തേക്കുന്ന 200 years? By casting a dense capacities to create shade. The leaves of an oak tree taste foul because the leaves of an oak tree taste foul because they are rich in tannins. The tannins are a chemical that renders them distasteful or indigestible to many organisms. The tannins are the part of the defense mechanism which is essential to longevity. Again, direct answer is there. Followed by that, yes, although oaks produce thousands of acorns, the investment in a crop of acorns is small compared to the energy spent on building leaves, trunks, and roots. Once an oak tree becomes established, it is likely to survive minor cycles of established it is to survive minor cycles of droughts and even fire. Again, yes, of constant locals produce houses of the investment is small. See, investment kuറിച്ചാണ് constant കുറിച്ച് പറയുന്നത്. And the abilities to produce thousands. Again, yes, no such things which has been mentioned here. So this 3 is your answer. So, see, we have 5 options and you have to choose 3. If you have 2 options, you can go for the 4 options, you can go for 2. So 5, then more than 2 will be your correct answer. So this is how you have to do your multiple choice, multiple answer. So don't like read word by word എടുത്ത് അത് പെറുക്കി വായിക്കാൻ നിൽക്കരുത്. ജസ്റ്റ് സ്കിം ചെയ്ത് നമുക്ക് ആവശ്യമുള്ള ഏതൊക്കെയാണോ ഇത്ത ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഈ പാരഗ്രാഫിൽ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടോ അത് മാത്രം നോക്കിയാൽ മതി. ബിക്കോസ് റീഡിങ് ഓൾ ദ പാസേജ് മൊത്തം വായിച്ച് ഡോണ്ട് വേസ്റ്റ് യു ടൈം. Don't spend more than a minute for this multiple choice, multiple answer. Make it very simple. കൂടുതൽ കുറെ നേരം ഓപ്ഷൻ ശരിയാണോ തെറ്റാണോ എന്ന് നോക്കി നമ്മൾ സമയം വേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യരുത്. Because you have 3 most important questions in your reading and writing fill in the blanks, reading fill in the blanks, reorder paragraphs. So അതിൽ വേണം നമ്മൾ ടൈം സ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ. ഇത് ജസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് ഓക്കെ ഇഫ് ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ ഇതൊക്കെ കാണെങ്കിൽ just click and go. And this is very simple. It was a simple passage. I think exam not a tough one because it pattern other you have to develop your reading skill. Reading skill develop easy develop reading skill read as much. So books or journals just take this paragraph. But we practice it. You have to read again and again to understand the meaning of the passage. So I'm going to read the options of the question question options options paragraph search tick if you're not so sure multiple choice multiple answers set sure you can choose 2 marks 2 marks. But then, the word option minus 1 answer. So, always choose which is sure just choose that one. So, you get marks for this. So, within that correct point you will get mark. In your reading reading and writing, plan to do a correct answer. പക്ഷെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ചോയ്സിൽ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ നെഗറ്റീവ് മാർക്കിംഗ് ഉള്ളത്. സോ ഇത് നമുക്ക് ഷുവർ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ചൂസ് കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള മാത്രം ചൂസ് ചെയ്ത് യു ക്യാൻ ഡു. But then you have to practice more. You're not like able to do this multiple choice multiple answer. Read the paragraph, understand. നമ്മൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ വേർഡ് ബൈ വേർഡ് എടുത്ത് വായിച്ചാൽ you will not get time. Skim and scab the passage. Skip ചെയ്യാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഓടിച്ചിട്ട് വായിക്കുക, സ്കാൻ ചെയ്യാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കറക്റ്റ് ആ വേർഡ് അതേ വേർഡ് ചിലപ്പോൾ കാണില്ല. ആ വേർഡിന്റെ സിനോണിം ആയിരിക്കും. സിനോണിം പറയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് സെയിം മീനിങ് ഉള്ള 2 വേർഡ്സ് ആണ്, ബട്ട് സെയിം മീനിങ് ആയിരിക്കും, പക്ഷെ ഡിഫറെന്റ് വേർഡ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും. സിനോണിംസ് ഉള്ളത് വൊക്കാബുലറി. സോ അത് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ can easily solve this reading and multiple choice multiple answers. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you find it any difficulties, you can just contact us, and we are providing coaching. So stay tuned. See you next video.